Place coming up on the left is where we're going to have lunch today at the Gold Strike Inn Casino. Appropriately named because it is built right on top of a gold mine. Look how pretty that is out through there. Alright, now I want you to share in this experience. Imagine being sound asleep.
No.
And all of a sudden, you get this vision. And that vision is the bus going right between these two big rocks, straight out through there. Could you imagine this thing? Just launch right off of there. Thank God I've never gone over the edge. I do wake up when I'm having that dream, though I usually hit the floor. Be looking for those desert sheep now. You usually see them every day about this time of day. Never in the same place twice, though. They're always in a different spot. They're really hard to see because they blend right into the scenery out there. Very tan in color. Usually the only way we see them is if they're pointing their little white butt at us. They blend right in, seriously. Actually got two turns. I forgot to tell you about the other. If you're on the right side of the bus, you're going to get a pretty good view. Look how pretty that is.
We're still on the bus.
That's the raft. That's the raft trip. They take off from right down there. Out in the tour, 726.4 feet tall. At its base, the concrete is 660 feet thick. You're going to take the interior tour of the dam. It's probably about a 20 to 30 minute wait right now. Some days the line goes fast, some days it goes slow. They actually have two elevators that go down inside the dam. Some days they only use one, so that's why the line gets a little backed up. They were pouring the concrete. They had to divert the water. Pretty big hole in the ground. But now remember, the last time that was used was 1982-83. A lot of people have the question, why doesn't the water go over the dam? This one don't work like that. The four big intake towers you see out there where the water is, the water goes down through there, and they run it across the turbines down there, turning the generators. That's what makes the power.
Work began on the dam in April 1931, and it turned out to be the hottest year on record at that time. Several areas were chosen for the dam, and it was decided to place it in Black Canyon. The original name for the dam was Boulder Canyon Dam. The dam took 5 years to build, finishing 2 years ahead of schedule in 1936. The dam straddles the border between Nevada and Arizona. Contrary to popular myth, no workers were buried in the dam's concrete as it was being poured. However, officially, 96 people died during construction due to drowning, blasting, falling rocks and rock slides, falling from the canyon walls, truck accidents and being hit by heavy equipment. The Mormon community of St. Thomas, Nevada was flooded out as water rose up behind Boulder Canyon Dam. The Colorado River backed up, making a man-made lake now called Lake Mead. The last resident literally rode away in a boat from his home in 1938. Nobody really wanted to name the dam after Herbert Hoover. In retrospect, it seems strange that one of the country's most impressive feats is named after one of the least beloved presidents. In fact, Hoover is understood to have only earned the honour through a political publicity stunt. In 1930, Secretary of the Interior Ray Wilbur travelled to the site to mark the dam's project's official opening. He took advantage of the pageantry to declare, "I have the honour and privilege of giving the name to the new structure in Black Canyon under the Boulder Canyon Project Act. It shall be called the Hoover Dam." In other words, Wilbur named the dam after his boss, as Hoover was already widely maligned for his part in kicking off the Great Depression. The name was hotly contested. Wilbur's successor, Howard Ikes, was a particularly vocal critic, and in 1933 he switched the in-progress structure's name to Boulder Dam. The Hoover Dam didn't officially take its name until 1947. The dam spent 14 years without an official name. On April 30th, 1947, President Harry Truman signed a law authorising the original Hoover name, recognising the 31st President's hand in bringing the dam to life in the first place.